Please subscribe and remember to turn on notifications. And check out our other free lessons on our YouTube channel. Do you want to access more free videos? If so, click the link below and register for our free course.
Get up on the wrong side of bed. Here's an example sentence. Andy got up on the wrong side of bed and he's been grumpy all day. What do you think the correct meaning is? Is it A, to wake up in a bad mood? Is it B, to oversleep? Or is it C, to have too little sleep? The correct answer is A, to wake up in a bad mood. The idiom, get up on the wrong side of bed, is used to indicate that someone is in an irritable, bad mood for no apparent reason, and often suggests that it is not normal for them to be in such a mood. Here's an example.
What's wrong with everyone? What is so difficult about turning up for a meeting on time?
What's wrong with William today? Did he get up on the wrong side of the bed?
Listen and repeat. Get up on the wrong side of bed.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out our other free lessons on our YouTube channel. Do you want to access more free videos? If so, click the link below and register for our free course. You can also sign up for a live lesson with a teacher.